Hey guys, hope you all are doing well because COVID 19 is there. So make sure you get vaccinated as soon as possible. So, yeah, welcome to my channel. And today I'm here with a very interesting topic. This is baby photo shoot idea at home. So, yeah, let's get started. For this, I have chosen a bed and I'm going to place my baby here. So, I'm arranging things before I'm placing my baby. So this is very special photo shoot, very demanded photo shoot. This is makeup photo shoot tutorial, and in this video I'm going to tell you the step by step what you have to do in this process. So I have taken a plain sari here. You can choose any color, and I have chosen orange color here. I'm using this sari as canvas. You can also say the background so that I can edit later. Now this part is done. This idea is very trending on Instagram. You can see many pictures of babies, that is photo shoot ideas, and like kitchen ideas, kitchen photo shoot idea, bathroom photo shoot idea. So I thought, why not do the same? Now after that I am taking my makeup bag so that I can spread things like lipstick, mascara, many other things. So here I am placing some eyeliner, lipsticks. Just spread it all over the background or the canvas. So I am doing the same. Just opening my makeup bag, and I am going to show you all the things which I am going to spread, like eyeshadow, brushes, foundation, compact powder, many other things, eyeshadow which is colorful, so it will give the positive and vibrant effect to the video and the photo shoot also. Spread things as much as possible so that your baby is surrounded by everything which is used in makeup, so it will give the best effect to the makeup photo shoot tutorial. Now this part is almost done. Now the toughest part is placing your baby. Very difficult. This is very difficult part for me because calming down baby is very difficult task for me. So here is my baby, and she will complete her 4 months on 18th of April. Now I am making her to wear towel on her head, and after that I am going to wrap a big towel on her body so that it will give the afterbath effect. Now you can see that this is very difficult for me to manage her. Now I am placing her on the canvas. So make sure your baby is on silent mode, but this time she is not supporting me. So I just found an idea. I am just giving her sweet syrup here so that she will be calmed down, because this is very sweet and she liked that syrup also. This tastes so good to her, and you can see that she just calmed down. Now this is done. This is the difficult part. Now I'm going to show you how I just shoot the photo, and after that I will also tell you the edits of the photo. Now I'm taking out the camera from the tripod and just showing you the canvas. Now you can see that I'm just clicking random pictures of her, making her to take brush and lipstick in her hand. Now you can see that she is very happy now. Oh my god, I just clicked so much of random pictures and very good pictures too. Now you can see that she is enjoying the photo shoot. Now after that I am going to tell you the edits of the photo. So for this I am just using an application called PicArt, which is very common application to edit photos, and in this I have chosen edit a photo section, and I am just going to select the desired photo which I have to edit. So just searching in gallery the desired photo. Now I'm just selecting a best one. All photos are best, but just selecting the bestest one. Now I have taken this picture. Now going to the tools part, and here I am going to crop the extra part of the picture. Now this is also done. Click on the right button on the upper right corner. After that, again I am going to the tools section, and in the adjust section I am going to adjust the brightness and contrast of the picture. So I have taken this brightness, I have increased the brightness of the picture. After that, there is the option contrast, clarity. You can choose according to your photo or according to your desire. So I am just increasing some parts like clarity, saturation, and many other things you can find in the PicArt application. Now you can see that the picture is more bright and more effective now. Click on the right button, the tick on the upper right corner. After that, I am going to the text section to write her name, that is Mahika, and I am placing hashtag before her name. So it will give the good effect to the picture, and it will give the brand to the name. I just forgot to place hashtag, so I am going to the text back. Now placing hashtag before the name. Now you can change the color of that name. So I am choosing red, and after that I am taking a stroke, means I am using a stroke so that your letters will come out very brightly. Now you can see that the whole part is done, and I am going to download the picture from the download button. Now you can see the results. See, this is very good and very beautiful picture I have got. Now coming to the second editing part, choosing the desired picture and the second one. Now I have got one and selecting this picture. Now going to the tool section to crop the photo. Just cutting the extra part of the photo. Now click on the tick button on the upper right corner. Again going to the tools section and click on the adjust section so that you can increase the contrast, brightness, and many other things which you want. The same process as I have told earlier. Now you can see the brightness of the picture and clarity too. Now maybe you are wondering that this is the same picture as I have edited before, but now I am going to tell you more things in this. After doing this, I am going to click on the tick button. So after clicking the tick button, I am going to stickers part and giving more life to the picture. So on the sticker part, go to the search option, and I am searching for cucumber slice so that I can place that slice on her eye. Now I found a perfect one. Make the picture bigger size by holding it by 2 fingers. Now you can see that it gives more life to the picture. Now again I am going to the sticker section and I am going to search the lipstick mark. On the sticker section you can find everything which is available on Google. So here I've got this. I'm going to place this on her cheeks. Now you can see that she looks so cute now. This part is also done. Now I'm just going to write her name, #Mahika. But this time I'm going to the sticker section and taking a rectangle shape, pink rectangle shape, and on that I'm going to write her name. So I found this one is best. Now adjusting it. Now going to the text part and writing her name. Now choose a color of you according to your desire, and you can change the font of the name also. Now I just placing it on the rectangle. Now this is also done and you can see the results. I'm just downloading this picture and I'm going to show you the results. Now you can see that she looks so cute in this photo now. And this is all for the today, and I have created much more photo shoot before on my channel. You can check it out, and for further updates you can subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video please press the thumbs up button. Till then, bye bye.